Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.